Hello friends, welcome to Planning P6. Hope you are doing well. Today we are here with the topic of recovery schedule. How we can prepare the recovery schedule, what is the difference between the recovery and revised schedule, and how we will assign the second baseline to our project after the preparing the recovery schedule. I have received too many requests from my friends that they need a complete tutorial on the recovery schedule. That's why we are preparing this one. So without wasting the time, we will move forward and open your Primavera P6 software and open the schedule. I have sorted out already the columns like that: activity ID, activity name, total float, baseline project duration, original duration, baseline start, baseline 2 start, baseline 1 finish, baseline 2 finish, schedule percent complete, and performance percent complete. Why it's need? Because in the too many contracts there is a mentions that plus minus 5% variance needs a schedule may which called recovery or the on the client requirements. If it's need, it will be a revised schedule as well. So or in some contracts there is a mention a little difference in the project duration is also need a recovery schedule, so is also lead a recovery schedule. So today we will prepare the recovery schedule. What is the difference between the recovery and revised schedule? The recovery schedule is that the finish date client may freeze on WBS level. Maybe they can freeze the finish dates of the WBS is up to level 3, 1, 2 and 3 is freezed. Finish baseline finish date, suppose they freeze the 11th of February is freeze. You can manage your dates by activities or up to level 4 or 5. Then maybe they can freeze the finish dates, baseline finish dates up to level 2, or they can give you a free hand. There is no date freeze, but the finish date, project finish date is freeze as per the contract. You must have to recover your project because now you can see here schedule percent complete is 46.83 and 25% 73 is our earned progress. So the variance is between 21%, near about negative 21%. So it needs a recovery schedule. So how we will manage it? First of all, we will go here and I have updated some activities. This is just I prepare a sample project. I have updated some activities to teach you people only. So first of all, we will go here in the project, and from the assigning baseline column, we will just remove our baseline, whatever is we assigned the previous baseline. Okay. After the removing the baseline, it will remove now, and our complete finish date and baseline finish date is equal. Just keep in mind your finish date is 25th of March as per your baseline. So what we will do, we will go to the projects here, and on the same project in the dates we go here and give the must finish date, which is our baseline date, which date we need to recover it. So March 25th. Okay, select it. After the selecting, just then again open the project here. Now project is opened. Then we need to schedule it on the date whichever you are preparing. This one we are updating on 31st of January. So here you can see the negative float is negative 10%. So we need to recover this float, and this duration will be automatically managed. This float we can recover with the durations to minimize the some duration of the activities. So here this activity is not started. Which activities are completed we cannot. If you have the big project and activity durations are, you can say 100 days, 60 days, 50 days, like that you can minimize. First of all, we will go here in the journal and change the wherever you want to change your duration. Just go and fix here the fixed duration per units. And after that, here you can see here these will be fixed now, and only it will increase per day. So we will reduce the duration here to 5%, 5 days. Now again we will run between the changing. You have to must run your schedule on the same dates to see the float behavior here. So again, this activity slab and beam form work, we will also change the duration type to the fixed duration and unit, then go to the duration here, and you can say the 4 days we will complete it. And this one also we will change it, whatever you want to change the activity duration something, your total man hours will be remain same. It will not affect over the your total quantity. So here plaster work, we will go here and change again the fixed duration and units. If we go here in the resources, you can see here 400 and 400, 60 and 48. You can see here now I am changing to the 6. These 400, these 400 will remain same, and these will be divided accordingly. It is increasing per day labor, but the overall budgeted units will be remain same. So we will schedule again our project to see the behavior where we are. Here, now you can see here the total float is negative 3%. Now again we need to recover these 3 days accordingly. Here paint work, if it's paint work, we will go here and again change the durations. After the changing the duration, we will put here 3 days. Okay, 3 days, and we need to recover more days. We already changed this activity. We will do 4 days, and this maybe we can change here fixed duration. It is already per units, and we will change here into 1. So now we will update our schedule again and apply. Okay, schedule. Now total float is 0. It means your project finish date is 24th of March. Now we, if you want, you can increase any of activity from here. You can do it by 2, and then schedule again by F9, or from this button it is coming -1. We have to recover again the delay. So here 3, and schedule again. See the total flow. Now it is prepared as a recovery schedule. Now we have to assign the baseline again and see what is what. You can see here schedule percent complete is now 25.73 and 25.73. It is equal now. Whenever you will go to the next date, it will be increased day by day. So here, what first of all we will go and assign a baseline, just to show you people's baseline and baseline assign. Okay, whenever we will assign the baseline, you can see here now again the schedule percent complete goes above 46 point. But what we will do, we will go here and say grunt and grunt. Okay, after the grunt we will go here and maintain baseline as a recovery baseline. Here add a baseline, convert, save a copy of the same project. Okay, and here recovery schedule baseline 1, recovery b1. We will give the name of the recovery b1, and here type is project mid project status baseline. Okay, and this is initial planning baseline. Close this section, and after that we will go here and assign baselines to our project. First of all, this is our current, this project baseline now running on this baseline, and primary baseline will be remain same as the baseline initial baseline, and secondary will be recovery baseline. Okay, now you can see here our these are baseline 2 start and baseline 2 finish, baseline 1 finish and baseline 2 finish. But the schedule percent and the performance percent is equal, and other option is that float is also 0 and duration is same. This is how we can prepare a recovery schedule for our project to capture the project finish date as mentioned in the scope. So here, if you want to show this two baseline, how you can show it, go to the bars. Here bars, this is a primary baseline, it is already active, and here see the second baseline, this is already active, this with these colors, with this color this is already active. You can choose any one color for the baseline, whatever you want you can apply it, apply and okay. Now you can see here, if you see, this is our primary baseline and this is our secondary baseline, how its work are going to. Don't choose the red color because it's a critical activity color, then we will change to color to any other color, this one, this one, whatever you want you can apply. Now you can see the difference. If you change the colors again, you can change from here, okay, apply, differentiate like that. This is how we can prepare the recovery schedule in Primavera P6. Whatever your schedule is, you can change. But these are the basic steps which I tell you. Whenever you will practice it, you will be do it easily. Hopefully, this tutorial is very helpful for you people. Please like, share, and comment on our tutorials. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.